welcome to Travel Explorers, your go-to show for exciting travel destinations. Today, we embark on a thrilling journey to the picturesque city of Winterthur, located in Switzerland. Known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture, Winterthur offers a unique blend of old-world charm and modern attractions. Join us as we explore the best of Winterthur in this ultimate travel guide. Our first stop in Winterthur is the enchanting Old Town. Step back in time as you wander through narrow cobblestone streets lined with beautifully preserved medieval buildings. The Old Town is a true architectural gem, showcasing intricate facades and charming courtyards. Don't miss the famous Winterthur Cathedral, a striking landmark that dominates the skyline. Winterthur is a paradise for art and culture enthusiasts. The city boasts a remarkable array of museums, making it a must-visit destination for history buffs. Start your museum-hopping adventure at the Winterthurer Museum of Art, renowned for its extensive collection of modern and contemporary art. From there, head to the Oscar Reinhardt Collection am Römerholz to admire its impressive assortment of Swiss and European paintings. And for those interested in technology, the Swiss Science Center Technorama offers interactive exhibits and hands-on experiments. If you're seeking tranquility and natural beauty, Winterthur won't disappoint. The city is home to several splendid gardens and parks, perfect for leisurely strolls or picnics. Be sure to visit the exquisite gardens of the Villa Flora, renowned for their meticulously manicured landscapes and vibrant floral displays. And if you're up for some outdoor adventure, the expansive forests surrounding Winterthur provide ample opportunities for hiking, biking, and even cross-country skiing during the winter months. One of the most anticipated events in Winterthur is the Winterthurer Museums Night, held annually. This cultural extravaganza offers a unique chance to explore museums, galleries, and cultural institutions after hours. Experience a vibrant atmosphere as the city comes alive with art performances, live music, and special exhibitions. It's a truly unforgettable night for locals and visitors alike. No travel guide would be complete without mentioning the culinary delights of Winterthur. The city is brimming with cozy cafes, stylish restaurants, and traditional Swiss eateries. Indulge in Swiss classics like fondue and raclette, savor delectable pastries and chocolates, or simply enjoy a cup of aromatic Swiss coffee. The culinary scene in Winterthur caters to all tastes and promises to be a delight for your palate. While Winterthur offers an abundance of attractions within its city limits, it also serves as an excellent base for day trips to nearby destinations. Take a short train ride to the picturesque town of Schaffhausen, where you can marvel at the magnificent Rhine Falls, Europe's largest waterfall. Alternatively, venture to the charming city of Zurich, Switzerland's largest city, renowned for its vibrant nightlife, world-class shopping, and stunning lake views. Next we head to stunning Villa Flora, a paradise for nature lovers and horticultural enthusiasts. Explore the meticulously landscaped gardens, featuring a vibrant array of flowers, exotic plants, and tranquil ponds. The Villa Flora hosts various exhibitions throughout the year, showcasing artistic installations that blend harmoniously with the surrounding greenery. If you're fascinated by technology and engineering, don't miss the Swiss Science Center Technorama. This interactive museum offers a hands-on experience where you can experiment with physics, chemistry, and biology. From building robots to exploring the principles of electricity, Technorama provides an engaging and educational adventure for visitors of all ages. Photography enthusiasts will be delighted by the Photo Museum Winterthur. This renowned museum celebrates the art of photography through a diverse range of exhibitions, from contemporary works to historical collections. Immerse yourself in the world of visual storytelling and discover the power of the lens through thought-provoking displays and interactive installations. Music lovers, mark your calendars for the Winterthurer Musikfestwochen, one of Switzerland's largest music festivals. Held annually, this multi-genre event attracts renowned local and international artists who grace the stages across the city. From open-air concerts in picturesque settings to intimate performances in cozy venues, the Musikfestwochen promises an unforgettable musical experience. Winterthur is not just a cultural hub but also a fantastic destination for shopping enthusiasts. Stroll along the Bahnhofstrasse, Winterthur's main shopping street, lined with stylish boutiques, high-end brands, and specialty stores. You'll find everything from fashion and jewelry to Swiss watches and artisanal crafts. And for a unique shopping experience, explore the vibrant Winterthur Farmers Market, where you can indulge in fresh local produce, delicious street food, and handmade products. When winter arrives, Winterthur transforms into a wonderland of seasonal activities. Head to the nearby mountains for exhilarating skiing and snowboarding adventures. The region offers various ski resorts suitable for beginners and experts alike. If you prefer a more relaxed winter experience, lace up your ice skates and glide across the frozen lakes or enjoy a cozy horse-drawn carriage ride through snow-covered landscapes. Winterthur, with its rich heritage, captivating museums, and natural beauty, truly has something for everyone. From exploring the charming old town to immersing yourself in art and culture, this Swiss gem offers an unforgettable travel experience. So, pack your bags, embrace the magic of Winterthur, and let your journey begin.